Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're drawing Minnie Mouse. So let's get started. To draw cute Minnie, let's first start by drawing her eyes. So I'm going to start right here with a long oval, tall oval I guess, and kind of skinny. So got this long oval in here. Then I'm going to come right next to it, say about right here, and draw another one. Second one's always harder because I'm trying to match the first one. So now that I have that, let's come back inside, and towards this edge we're going to draw another oval right here. And then in this spot, just go ahead and add a highlight and shade it all in. And then on this side, we're going to do the same thing, but towards this edge. And once again, a highlight and shade it all in. There. Okay, so now that we have that, let's go ahead and come to the top, and we're going to draw some lashes. So just start with one, a longer one, and then another one. Very long. So same thing here. And another one. And then now that we have this, let's make this a little bit in, a little bit more. I'm going to come right underneath the eyes and draw a curve. So I'm just going to start about right here. Lightly draw a curve right underneath and come out. There. So I got that curve in, and then underneath this curve is where we're going to draw her nose. So right in the center area, we're going to draw this nice full oval. So about that big. And connect, and I'm going to come right here, just put in a highlight and shade it all in. There. Okay, so I have her nose in. Then we need to draw her smile, right? So I'm going to find the center once again, and I'll say about right here. I'm going to come down, give myself a point just so I know where to draw her smile. And then I'm just going to kind of imagine this going up, and using this curve as my guide, just imagine it coming down. And I'll say about right here. Just kind of imagine how far I want it to go. And same thing here on both sides. So I've given myself these 3 points, and that just makes it a bit easier for me to see where I'm going. So I'm just going to draw this big curve, hit my point, and same thing over here. And up. There. And I'm just going to bring it up a tiny bit more and then add a curve. Right there. And then now that we have that, let's come back to the center. And I'm going to come down nice and deep. So let's say about right here. I'm just going to give myself a point. Just make it a little bit easier for me to see once again. And I'm just going to draw this curve to open up her mouth. And then we can come in here and just put in a tongue. So just 2 curves right there. Okay, so now that we have that in, let's go ahead and come back up. So I'm going to find my center, come up, say about this high, just over her lashes. And I'm going to bring a curve coming down, and I'll use this as my guide right underneath the eye. I'll say about right here. So right underneath the eye, and that same point. So same thing here, underneath the eye, and about right here, right over this mouth. I'm going to go ahead and just draw a curve going up over the eyes, come around and hit my point. So same thing here. And hit my point. There. And then from here, we can go ahead and go around the mouth to these cheeks, around the mouth. And then we're going to aim to come down here. So I'm going to find my center again, just give myself a little point right here, just a little bit space. And this is where I'm going to draw a curve underneath. Her chin area, and then we're going to go ahead and bring this in. There. Into and connect everything here. There. Okay, so now that we have that, we can go ahead and let's see here. I'm going to come to the sides and say, let's see, you know what, let's draw her bow first then. I think a little bit easier. So let's come up just a little bit, about right here. This is my center, and I'm going to go ahead and draw a curve. So my bow's nice and centered, the center of my bow. And then we're going to go up. We're going to thicken this part up and connect right there. And then we're going to go out and up. So let's bring this part right here. We're going to go up nice and high. Round this part off and then bring it in. And then we're going to create the second part of our bow. And we're aiming all towards this point right here. And connect. There. If you like, you can even push this out so it covers her face, but I'm just trying to make it easier to draw, so we're just going to stop right there. So same thing on the other side. About this same thing, same height. And I'm going to bring this, so let's say about right here. This a little bit sharper. And once again, same thing. Then in. Okay, and then of course some details. Just come right here. Put in two curves. And then we'll put in the dots later. Then we can come right about here. And finish this part off. So just draw a curve right underneath the bow. And connect. Come out a little bit more. There. So hopefully that was helpful for you to draw this. And then of course we need to draw the ears. So let's tuck in her ears about right here. And I'm just going to go up and come to about right here. So let's start over here. It's just easier for my hands. Let's draw a curve for her Mickey Mouse ears. And same thing here. So we're going to end. Let's see, am I at the same spot? I'm going to bring this down a little bit more. Okay, so then now we can go here. Approximate here. And finish off the ears. And of course you can always make any adjustments you need. Just step back and take a look. Okay, so now that that's done, that's the hardest part. Let's come back and draw her body. So we're going to come right here underneath, next to her chin. Give myself 2 points, and then we're just going to come out. And I'm trying to simplify this, so I'm going to come out a little bit. Let's bring out like finish off her skirt. So let's say about right here. I'm going to flare it out. About right there. Kind of round it off. And then just connect it at the bottom with a curve. There. And then let's come back and say about right here. Just connect it with a curve and another one. To separate the top and the bottom. And then let's come down here since let's find our center about right here once again, and we're going to go to the left and go to the right. So using that as my guide, let's go ahead and oh my gosh, I almost forgot. That's my that's where my legs are going to start. So I'm going to come right here, and then I need to draw a little bit of a ruffle. Almost forgot, but I'm still using this as my guide. I'm going to come down at a slight angle right here and here, and then let's work on this foot first. So let's come down, and then right here I'm going to round it off. This is going to come out more, and we're just kind of creating this ovalish shape coming out. Okay, so now that we have that, let's come back right here. We're going to come around it and come down. This is going to go around. For big Minnie Mouse shoes. And then right by here, we're going to just give her a little heel. So come in. Do a little bit of a point and connect. There. Okay, so same thing over here. Right, that point, little angle in, and then once again, curve out. There, and so once again, get a little notch right here for a heel and go around. There. Okay. So now that that's done, let's go ahead and draw her arms. So we're going to give her some poofy sleeves. So let's come out right here, her princess sleeves. And then just bring it in, and then another layer right here, and then we're going to just tuck it right next to her body to make it easier. So we're going to use the curve right here for her arms. So we're going to bring this out, curve it in, then come around it for the glove right there, and then let's come here and we're going to draw a thumb, and then on the back some fingers. So we're going to go curve, and then this one's going to be a little bit taller and then a little bit shorter and bring it in. And let's put in some lines right here, and then of course these two little details right there. And so then same thing over here. So I'm just going to drag this point across. And once again, a thumb, and then the finger. So it's easier for me to go this way. 1, 2, and then shorter, and bring it in. And once again, some curves. For their hands. And then of course the last thing we need to do, I'll quickly do that, is to put in some of these polka dots. So just here and there. And then of course the bow too. This one a bit bigger. There. Okay, and I think that is pretty much it for my drawing here of Minnie Mouse, my new version of her. I really hope I helped you draw her fun and easy today, and if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.